spray on everything here. Pinch joint on this side is 15 millimeter, and the bolt on that side is the 50 Torx, but can't quite get a damn ratchet to fit in there with the Torx head on it. Rubs up the caliper just a tiny bit. So, okay, caliper nuts are 15 millimeter. They're on there too tight to do just with the short length of my ratchet, but put that pipe on there and oh yeah, there it goes. Okay, remove the bottom, loosen the top. See how well that does. You see what it takes to, if I gotta hammer this bolt out, more than likely. Oh no, look at that. Wow, that slipped right out. And now it's pickle fork time. This is a pickle fork. Okay, use the pry bar to make a little bit of room for the pickle bar and then hammer it in. And look at that. Fantastic. Okay. I don't think I bent the little thing there too bad. Now we'll do the other. Start in the back. 21 millimeters on the top. And the bolt head is roughly 19. Breaker bar trick work well. Okay. That's wedged up against the brace. And we got the drill adapter. Hold it in place strong enough. Fantastic. Here is the 19. A bit sloppy, but that'll be fine on the top. And then there's the 15. Yep, fantastic. Oh yeah. Took a lot. Okay. Got the 21 there. That bracket there. 18 one here. And we got my breaker bar. Okay. Good luck to me. Okay, there, that turned the ratchet in the back. Okay. Okay, let me get this out of the way and This nut is 17 millimeter, and in order to get it off, you either got to use the stupid hex key in the middle, or do what I did. I just used a crescent wrench to adjust it to hold that. It was adjusted to right there. The bolt for the pinch fitting for the strut is right here. Set it over there. And that was a 3/4 inch. And now we remove these things. That's what holds this in place. Pop this loose. Yeah. Fan-freaking-tastic. And excellent. And now I just undo the top. A little dirty up here. 13 millimeter. Dang, fantastic. Not reusing these, but I don't want them to fall down into the engine compartment. You. New one. There we go. Try to get that shit lined up. Doesn't really matter if the bottom's lined up because the whole thing turns. Come on. Come on. Two. Excellent. One. Two. Whole thing. Just turns. I gotta lube it up. Probably. Okay, have your glove. Let's see what we gotta get done. And I think we'll end up jacking up the bottom here. Perfect. Yeah, fantastic. Okay. Yep. Did pretty well. Use the pry bar gently, you know, like that a little bit, and what do you know? It'll help boost it some. So let's try. There we go. Now we jack it in. Perfect. Okay. See what they did on this one. They bent it out of shape in order to get the thing to fit. Okay, well, we can do that too. Okay, now bend the thing open to move it in there, and then that helps retain it. Righty tighty. Okay, next we put the caliper bolt back in, snug that up. Then I'm going to start messing around with this. Alright, that's nice and snug. Calipers are good. That's not. That was the thing I forgot. Hold point, that's this thing. Right, that's to keep her from slipping. It's a bit of a tight fit, but that's it. Scrunch it down on there and see how it comes out. Okay, I'll pry that off. Yeah, what do you know? It's more like 13/16. That's my deal. Okay, let's check this. That is the same. Okay, so switch this around to this side. Come on. And hold it steady there and see what we can do. Okay, this is the old tie rod. I don't hear or feel any clicking. It moves relatively easily. Doesn't seem to be in bad shape. Let me do an inspection of the boot. Right, the boot's in very good shape. Got the other end on. I put this one on 17.5 turns also. And we gotta snug up the nut to it. That's it.